Hello, I'm Ying. In this video, I'll show you how to use CINAHL to search for current nursing journal articles. CINAHL is the largest nursing literature database, providing full text access to more than 300 top nursing and allied health journals. Let me click on the link on the A to Z databases list. Suppose my assignment is to find 2 nursing journal articles published within the last 10 years and are at least 3 pages long. I'm interested in issues concerning long-term care, so I'll put that concept in the first search box and click on search. There are more than 12,000 results. I'll add another concept in the second search box to narrow my search and focus on only articles that talk about pressure injury in long-term care. I'll click on search again. This narrowed down to only 10 results. When I look closely at the results, I see the subject term pressure ulcer, and it probably is still the more common terminology people are using now for this concept. So I'll add that synonym to the second concept with an OR connector. When I started to type, the search engine gave me some suggestions, and I'll choose this one that added the term pressure sore as well. I'll click on search again, and this time it's much better. There are more than 200 results. Now I'll use the refine results options on the left side to filter my results and save me time. The first option that I will use is the published date. I'll type in 2010 in the first box and hit enter on my keyboard to update the results to the last 10 years. There are 121. Then I'll click on the Show More link. A new window with more search options opens up. The option that's going to be very useful to me is the Journal Subset option. I'll click inside the box and then hit the letter N on my keyboard. This would have nursing highlighted and selected, which means my search results will be limited to only nursing journals. The next option is number of pages. I'll choose greater than 3. Then scroll down and click on search. There are 23 results. I will browse through the first page. These titles look pretty relevant. The first article is published on British Journal of Nursing. It's 5 pages long, and it is a case study. I can click on the PDF full text link to look at the article in detail. I would recommend you to choose a PDF whenever available because it has the page numbers. So if you're going to quote something from this article, you can use the page number in your citation. And the format is better with all the images and tables nicely presented, while the HTML tends to be more like a web page, sometimes without the photos. Let's go back to the result list and take a look at another article. Number 6 looks pretty good. It is published on Nursing Older People. It has a full text finder link. I'll click on that. A new tab opens up. Sometimes these links don't work, but it doesn't mean we don't have the full text. Ask a librarian if there's a problem. This time the link worked. Perfect. And this article is available from the database ProQuest. So click on the full text PDF tab, and then you can read this article. As you can see, this is labeled Evidence and Practice, and it is a peer-reviewed research article. You can either print it out or download it or email it to yourself. For citations, I find that EBSCO does a good job. So I'm going to go back to CINAHL and use their citation generator. Click on the title to go to the detailed record. And on the right side, there is a yellow page icon, which I can use to scroll down and get the APA citation. It's not perfect, but it gives me a good start. Sometimes people want to limit the research to USA. I'll click on result list to go back. 23 articles are just not enough. So I'm going to first broaden my search a little by typing in another keyword like nursing homes. So by using the synonyms, I'm getting much more results. And now I can click on the show more on the left and scroll down and use the geographic subset and limit to USA. Click on search again. I wouldn't necessarily recommend this unless it's a requirement of the assignment, because there are good research that's been done in other countries. Browsing through the results, I see number 3 is published on AJN, American Journal of Nursing. That's a pretty popular nursing journal. It's a guideline. So I'm going to click on this full text finder and see if we have the full text. Looks like we have this journal article from JSTOR, and you should be able to incorporate this to your assignment. Let's go back to the result list. If you are interested in a different topic, you can just delete the concept line and then type in something different. For example, staffing levels or staffing ratio, and do a new search. To summarize, put one concept on one line. Don't change the "and" between the search boxes. Browse through the results and don't be afraid to try different keywords. Research is an exploration process. You can either add more keyword to additional search boxes to narrow your search, or use "or" to combine synonyms. Using these search techniques can help you find more relevant results. And if you have any questions about using this database, please use the chat with the librarian box on the right side here. It's available 24/7. I'd also recommend you to watch my tutorial on Health Sciences OneSearch next, because it has a bigger scope. Thank you for watching.